recently. Just got this new charger. So it's got the 3 different types. The new Android, the iPhone, and the old Android. Came with 2 of these, and it came with the thank you card, and so they can stretch. You pull from each side, it stretches out. Here's my base, plugging it in. Plugging it in the wall. Oh. Yeah. Can go all the way to here. Pretty long. And all the way back. And then it's like, each time you hear that little noise, it's like a stopping point where you can stop it part way. Okay. So, take a small one. Let's do more. And then we'll plug it in down here into my tablet. Requires 2 hands. Okay. There we go. It was already charged, but it's showing that it works. Great. Perfect. I'm pleased. And then I also have an Android device that I'm making this video on. I'm gonna plug it in to my Android. Works perfect. 47% charged. Oh, too much. Thanks for watching. Bye.